Hello everyone, I'm Barrister Garn from Siam Center Law Group. Today we're talking about an important protection available to victims in criminal cases under Section 44/1 of the Thai Criminal Procedure Code. Many people ask me, if the offender is convicted and sent to prison, will the victim receive compensation? Traditionally, criminal proceedings focus mainly on whether the defendant is guilty or not. Fines go to the state and the prosecutor represents the public interest, not the victim's financial loss. This often leaves victims confused and worried about compensation. Section 44/1 was created to solve this problem. When a criminal offense causes damages, physical injuries, defamation, property loss, the victim can request compensation directly in the criminal case. There's no need to file a separate civil lawsuit. In other words, you can claim both criminal punishment and civil damages in one courtroom at the same time. Who can file a petition? First, the actual victim of the crime. Second, if the victim dies from the wrongful act, their legal heirs can request damages instead. Even if the victim was partially at fault, the petition is still allowed. The court may simply reduce the damages proportionally. Damages may include medical costs, past and future, loss of earning capacity, pain and suffering, permanent disability, funeral expenses, and financial support lost due to death. These claims must be directed only against the defendant. Claims against employers or parents will require a separate civil action. The request must be submitted while the criminal case is ongoing, before the last witness finishes testimony or before the judgment if there are no witnesses. The petition should clearly specify the damage, amount requested, and supporting evidence. The good news is the request carries no court fees unless the amount is excessive without justification. If the defendant is acquitted, the compensation request is dismissed automatically. If the defendant is convicted, the court will consider civil liability in the same proceeding. If compensation is granted, the victim becomes a judgment creditor and may enforce the judgment by seizing assets. Section 44/1 is a powerful legal tool. It saves victims time, expenses, and stress by preventing the need to start a new civil lawsuit after the criminal trial.